Hello everybody, my name is Halo. Welcome to this series where we're solving Codeforces problems in Python. We are doing the A towards A ladder, and in this episode we're solving problem 281A, which is called word capitalization. It's a very simple string problem. Let's just go ahead and look into what the problem is and how to solve it. Right, so let's just go ahead and read the question. It says capitalization is nothing but writing a word with its first letter as a capital letter. Okay, our task is to capitalize the given word. And one thing to keep in mind is during capitalization, all letters except the first letter remains unchanged. So in this case right here, if the input is apple, we still return apple. But if the input is say something like A-P-P-L-E, you have to return A, small p, capital P, capital L and E. So if anything that was already there, it will still remain the same. Only this first letter should change. How do you do that? If you guys have heard about string slicing, how string slicing works is we assign an index to every element of a string. In this case, that will be something like 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. It starts from 0, and the slicing, let's say the string is called st. How that will work is, if you want to take something like say st of 0 will now be a. Right, and similarly 1, 2, 3 or 4, but at the same time you can specify a range too. For example, st of 1 to 4 will now give you 1 obviously inclusive but 4 non-inclusive, so that will something be like p, p, l. Okay, and it won't include e because 4 will be non-inclusive, so that will give you something like p, p and l. Similarly, what you can do is you can just say something like st of 1 is to and not mention anything here. What that will do is it will take this particular starting index and just go till the end. So that will be P, P, L and E. At the same time, as we are mentioning this, we can also skip towards indexes. So that will be something like if you want to go here, but you only want to slice through say odd number of elements. You want to say P and capital L or something like that. You can go ahead and put 1 is to there till the end. You can leave that blank and then another colon and just say 2. So it's skipping towards 2 elements every time instead of 1. So there are a lot of different ways for string slicing. You can also go ahead with negative indices. So just like how it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, you can also say -1, -2, -3, -4 and -5. This concept of string slicing is something that is going to be really useful throughout your journey in Python. I assume all of you are beginners. So, and in this particular case, we're going to use this part of string slicing. Okay, so what we're going to do, we're going to take this particular string, we're going to take the first element, so that will be st of 0. We're going to convert that to an uppercase using dot upper function and add it to the rest of the string. So that will be 1 is to the end and then print that to the user. So as you know, when you're adding two strings, what happens is it just concatenates that string. How that will look like is first st of 0 will now be a, and that will be followed by st of 1 to the rest, so that will be P, P, L and E, and this if you convert that to uppercase it will be A, and this will be the same. You add both, you'll get A, P, P, L and E. Okay, so that's how that works. If you guys understood what I was talking about, go ahead and do the code yourself. As always, if you don't, let's just move on to the code now. Right guys, let's just start coding, and it's a very simple code. So first things first, let's take the input, and as I mentioned here, all we need to do is print st of 0. That will be the first letter. Actually, let me just, if you guys are beginners, let's just write this a bit different. So first letter will be nothing but st of 0. The rest will be st of 1 to the end of the string. What we need to do is we need to print this first letter capitalized, that will be dot upper plus the rest. And that's it, everyone. You can go ahead and run this, and all the test cases have passed. You can actually remove 2 of these lines and put all of this in one line itself, because that's how simple the code is. But I hope you're able to understand. Let me just go ahead and submit this so you can see that this is the right solution. So as you can see, our solution has been accepted. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you. Hit that like button if it did. I'll meet you again in another episode, another problem maybe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, peace out.